Alright, as you can see here, it's about 50 degrees. I also got this new bike stand, but I'm taking the bike out for the first ride in 2025. Wow. Alright, let's get some music playing here. Alright, I have to be a little careful here because even though it's 50 degrees, there's a little bit of ice left. Oh, slipping on mud already, geez. Not even out of my driveway. Feels good to be back on the bike. But yeah, like I said, as you can see here, there's still some ice on the road, but I kind of previewed part of my ride today. There's a road that I'd like to take. I took it on the way home today and double checked, made sure it was safe. So, I mean, I didn't ride the whole thing, so hopefully it's all right, but I think it should be fine. Hopefully my tire pressures are okay. I might want to check those. But yeah, I might not be yapping too much today. Like I said, this is the first ride of the season. It's what is it, February 3rd today? So yeah. Bike's still a little bit cold at the moment, but not too bad. But yeah, the road I'm planning on taking is a little bigger, so I'm expecting that there's a little less snow and ice on it. And like I said, I double checked it, but I can't tell if that's ice there. I don't think so. And aside from just ice, I mean, water is also a risk. It was raining a bit, but not too bad. Months to do that. Oh man. It's been a minute. Watch out for potholes up here. remember there being a few big ones. Yeah. Should mention that I'm well geared up just in case. I got jeans and then riding pants over them. I got long sleeve shirt, a hoodie, and an actual armored jacket. I'll be careful with this water here. Obviously riding gloves, and then got my old work boots on. I got a new pair of boots, but they don't have steel toe, so they're a little less comfortable on the motorcycle when I'm shifting gears. But these ones are, well, they're okay. They're kind of falling apart, not super secure. God, I love this thing. What is that, a Grom? Navi? I don't know. I wasn't originally going to ride that far, but it's going to be pretty hard to tell myself to put the bike away. It's looking like in 2 or 3 weeks I should be able to ride again at this point. So I'm pretty happy with that. Now, on the other hand, I have some maintenance that I'd like to get done on this bike. So I called the motorcycle mechanic and let him know that I'd really like to have some things done before the weather gets real nice. But yeah, so I'm gonna have spark plugs, coils, air filter, oil filter, and I'm going to have the valves checked as well, because the maintenance interval for that is about 26,000 miles. I'm close to 23,000 miles right now, but I don't mind having it done a little early. I mean, this is a 2009. I don't know. I don't think there's any reason not to, if I can afford it. I could put it off until the end of the riding season or the beginning of next one, but if I have all the other maintenance items I'd like to get done now, I might as well do it all at once, because they're already gonna have to take apart a bunch of the bike to get it you know, ready to do the spark plugs and coils, because on these bikes you have to take off all the fairings. There's a couple, well, I think you have to pull off the gas tank and then look underneath it, and then there's like a clamshell for the airbox and all kinds of stuff that you need to take off just to get to the spark plugs. And I figure if they're already that far, they might as well just take off a couple more things and look at the valves. It's better than paying for them to do it twice. My wrists are hurting a little bit, so I gotta get used to using my core. I don't know what core I have left over the lazy winter. I don't think I can go. It'd be nice if there we go. It's bumpy. That could not be good. Oh, Lord. Oh.